Ever found yourself glued to those mesmerizing charts, the ebb and flow of lines painting a story of potential fortunes? You're likely familiar with TradingView, that powerhouse platform where traders and investors flock to analyze markets. But a question often pops up amidst the technical indicators and price action: is TradingView actually free, forever? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be honest, in a world of subscriptions and premium features, the idea of a truly robust and perpetually free tool feels almost too good to be true. TradingView, at its core, does offer a substantial free plan. And when I say substantial, I mean it. You gain access to a vast array of real-time data for numerous asset classes, stocks, forex, crypto, you name it. The charting tools are surprisingly comprehensive, allowing you to overlay indicators, draw trend lines, and customize your analysis to your heart's content. You can even engage with a vibrant community, sharing ideas and learning from other traders. For many beginners, and even some seasoned traders with simpler needs, the free plan is genuinely powerful and sufficient for their analytical journey. Think of it like this: the free version of TradingView is like a well-stocked library. You have access to a wealth of information and tools to learn and explore. You can spend countless hours poring over charts and developing your strategies without ever having to pay a dime. This accessibility has undoubtedly contributed to TradingView's immense popularity. It democratizes trading analysis, allowing individuals from all walks of life to participate and educate themselves. However, like any freemium model, there are limitations. The free plan typically restricts the number of indicators you can apply to a single chart simultaneously. You might also encounter limitations on the number of saved chart layouts or the frequency of data updates, although these are generally quite reasonable for casual users. Furthermore, advanced features like priority customer support, ad-free experience, and more intricate data feeds are reserved for their paid subscription tiers. These paid plans, Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium, unlock a greater level of customization, more powerful analytical tools, and increased capacity. For active day traders or those requiring in-depth, real-time data and sophisticated analysis, these upgrades can offer a significant edge. They provide the equivalent of having a personal research assistant and a dedicated workspace within that well-stocked library. So, to directly answer the initial question, yes, TradingView offers a free plan that you can use indefinitely. It's not a trial period, it's a genuine free tier with a rich set of features. However, to access the full spectrum of TradingView's capabilities and remove certain limitations, you would need to opt for one of their paid subscription plans. Ultimately, the forever free aspect depends on your individual needs and trading style. For many, the free plan provides an incredibly valuable and enduring resource. It's a fantastic starting point and can even be a long-term solution for those with less demanding analytical requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.